Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update apps on Firestick. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So if you have your Fire Stick loaded and your display is up, follow me step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you will know how to update apps on Fire Stick. So first things first, I'm going to show you the automatic updates, and then I'm going to go over to show you how to update an app independently. So hop over to settings. This is for the automatic update. Just click on settings and then navigate over to settings, come down and go to apps. So applications. There was an error. I'm going to controllers. So application settings is right here. Click on it and then go to App Store, and you see this first automatic updates. Make sure this is turned on. If this is turned on, you have automatic updates. If not, you have to manually update every app. So I'll go out of here and I'm going to show you the second method if you want to update an app independently. So just go to my app library. That's here. So you see all of your apps. I'll be using the downloader app as an example. If I can just locate it quickly. I could use any app. Actually, any app could be a good example. Let's just use Filmzy. I see Filmzy there. Okay, that's the downloader app below. I just like the app. So there's a button beside the home button. So on your Fire Stick, you have the back button. The middle button is a home button, and then you have the sandwich bar button to the right of your remote. Click on that sandwich bar button while on download and then go down to more info. If you click on more info, this is going to bring up the Play Store or Apple Store rather. The App Store is going to bring up the App Store, and you find all the information in the App Store. If there's an update available, that's where you're going to see it. So where you see open app, if there's an update available, you see update app, and that's what you do. You update the application and you're good to go. So basically that's it for this tutorial. That's how you update apps on Fire Stick. I hope that was insightful. If it was, like that video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. This is DaveTech signing out.